from that aspect, if I ask you what is the role of price expectation, what will you tell me? See, when price is expected to be higher, I have proved to you that actual price will increase, didn't we? We did it here now, that when expected price increases, then the actual price also increases. ये हमने पढ़ा. अच्छा, try to see this here. Beta, this is my AS curve. This is my P equal to PE. ये वो point है. When P is equal to PE, what did I teach you? That उस point पे Y will be equal to YM. Beta, this is output. And this is your price level. Okay. Acha, now try to understand. When my expected price itself will increase. So ये जो P equal to PE का point है, it will become here. बेटा expected price ही बढ़ रहा है. तो P equal to PE का point ये हो जाएगा, नया point हो जाएगा. Earlier I was expecting price should be 10. And actual price was 10. It was this point. Now I am expecting that price is 12 and actual price is also 12. अगर मैं expectation बढ़ाऊंगी तो actual price will increase. That is what I told you. So P equal to PE point becomes here. So beta, this P equal to PE point, this is here. And what did I teach you? That when P is equal to PE, then Y is equal to YN. Mane this point. So my AS curve should be moving here now. It should be passing through this point. Because when P is equal to PE, then Y is equal to YN. So my AS curve will shift upwards. Will shift upwards. Is this clear to everyone? My AS curve will shift upwards. Can we try to go ahead and can we try to explain this thing? What is happening? Why is it shifting upwards? Yes, ma'am, we can try to do that. How? Try to understand that when, but if people are expecting that the price will increase, if people are expecting that price will increase, they will ask for higher wage. They will ask for higher wage. वो तो बोल रहे price बढ़ने वाले हमें ज़्यादा wage दो. So if they will ask for higher wage and the wage is constant, suppose at current wage. Suppose think about this person X, Mr. X. Huh? ध्यान से समझो. Think about Mr. X. Mr. X is working for rupees 10,000 per month. The price of the wheat he buys, that is 100 per kg. He is expecting that this will increase to 130 per kg. He will be able to buy less. What should he be doing? He should be asking for higher wage. But will he be willing to work at the current wage? No. He thinks that 10,000 is too less. And he will want to go ahead and leave his job. So when people expect the price to increase at the given price level, they will go ahead and they will start losing their jobs. They will start, not losing, I should say, they will start, exiting the firm, right? So, but the unemployment rate will increase. When unemployment will increase, employment will decrease. But employment ही output था. The number of people employed was equal to output. So but output will start decreasing. So when people started forming that price is going to increase, then output started to decrease. So output decrease होने का क्या मतलब हुआ? That the AS curve is shifting backward. Right? If the price does not change, when expectations change, expectation तो बढ़ गई है लोगों की. They expect price यहाँ होना चाहिए. अगर actual price 10 पे ही रह गया, so people will get unemployed, people will lose their jobs, they will not want to work. When they will not work, then beta employment will decrease, output will decrease, and output will start to fall. So the AS curve will shift backwards. Is this clear? Right? Everyone is okay with it? Okay. Let us go ahead and let us try to write this down. So please write down. Suppose there is increase in expected price from PE to PE dash at the given level of output. People would not be at the given level of price. Oh, please. At the given level of price, or sorry, write down wage. People would not be willing to work. Unemployment will increase. Employment will decrease, and thereby output will decrease. So the AS curve will shift backwards. Right, beta? The AS curve will shift backwards. Is this clear? Okay. So what have we learned? Backwards or upwards का भी reason मैंने आपको दिया ना, that y is equal to yn point and p is equal to pe point is here now. So it must shift upwards. So either you can think in terms of upwards or backwards. It's the same thing. So what have we learned, beta, in this lecture? We learned that first, we are seeing that from the wage determination and price determination relation, from this wage and price determination relation, we could find the AS curve. We derived the AS curve. Right, beta? Secondly, we saw that when we hold expected price constant, Y and P are positively related. Right, beta? Then we saw that as PE increases, then you can say that AS curve shifts. Either you can call that shift backward, or you can call that shift upward. Up to you. And it shifts the curve backward or upward when PE increases. Clear हुई ये बात? This is all about the derivation of the AS curve. Okay, beta, thank you.